been a marvellous event today. We've celebrated and welcomed Team Wales' torch for WorldSkills UK. That's been touring the country, and today it was the turn of Mid Wales, and we welcomed the torch at Newtown College. For the first time this year, the national finals of WorldSkills UK are being held in Wales, so that's why the torch has been crisscrossing the country to celebrate the finals coming to Wales, and we're really proud to be being part of that. WorldSkills is a great opportunity for all our students to practice and demonstrate excellence in their vocational areas. There's such a breadth of skill opportunities, and the competitions embrace so many curriculum areas. There's opportunities for many students to get involved. It's a way of showcasing their excellence and true competence in the things that they're studying, and inspire them really to continue their passion and follow through to their careers.
So we've got some students doing some demonstrations. Thomas is in doing his demonstration that he did for his UK skills final. So we're doing a little steak dish. Larry's doing some practice ready for her competition in the end of November. So she's going to do some little creme patisserie, do some fritter rolls. And we've got some students then making some pastries, some mince pies, getting our Christmas preparations ready. And then we've also got some lamb cowl. So we've got some students in from Newtown High School, so they've come in and we've invited them in to obviously watch the procession and then to have a go at decorating some biscuits.
I'm representing Team Wales in Culinary Arts, which is held in Cardiff at the end of this month. At the time I wasn't too thinking about doing them, but I am glad now that they did push me to do it, because I think it's given me confidence in cookery and where I want to go in the future.